Hi everyone, today we are in our numeric and algebraic expressions and order of operations packet. Please turn to page 18. Today's lesson is on combining like terms. Let's take a look at number 36. We have 6 times the sum of x plus 4, so we have to use the distributive property. So 6 times x is 6x plus 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1. So 6 times x plus 24 plus 1. So like terms, 24 and 1 are like terms because they are both constants. They are both numbers by themselves. So we can combine or we can add 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. So our algebraic expression is 6 times x plus 25. We cannot add 6 to 25 because 6 has a variable right next to it. 6 is a different term than 25. We cannot combine or add 6x plus 25. So we keep our expression as 6 times x plus 25. Let's take a look at number 38. We have x plus 3 plus 5x. So we take a look at our terms for similar terms or like terms. So we have a constant all by itself, we have a 5 times x, and we have another x. So we can combine our x plus 5x. And when we have a variable all by itself, we know that there is a 1 there. We just don't write it all the time. So 1x plus 5x is 6x plus 3. So our expression is 6 times x plus 3. Again, we cannot add or combine 6 times x plus 3 because they are different terms. They are not like terms. One is a constant and one number has a variable being multiplied by it. So 6 times x plus 3. Number 47, we have 7 times the sum of x plus y minus 7 times x. So we're going to use the distributive property here. So 7 times x is 7x plus 7 times y is 7y minus 7 times x. So we're going to take a look at what terms can we combine. What terms are similar or like each other? What terms are on the same team? You can think about it if you're into sports. Who's wearing the same jersey? So it looks like 7 times x and 7 times x are wearing the same jersey. They are like terms. So we can combine 7x minus 7x. Well, 7x is a positive 7x. So if we take a positive 7x and we subtract 7x, we end up with 0. And then you bring down your positive 7 times y. So we are left with 7 times y. I would like for you to pause the video and work on numbers 37 and 41. Play back the video when you are done solving. Number 37. 5 plus 8 times the sum of 3 plus x. So we're going to use the distributive property. So I would rewrite 5 and then plus sign, and then 8 times 3 is 24 plus 8 times x is 8 times x or 8x. Now you're going to look for similar terms. Similar terms. Well, we have 8 times x that has a variable right next to it, and then we have 5 plus 24. Well, these two terms are both constants, so they are similar terms. We can add or combine these two terms. So 5 plus 24 is 29 plus 8 times x. So our algebraic expression is 29 plus 8 times x. Number 41, we have n plus 3 times n minus 1 in parentheses. We're going to use the distributive property again. I'm going to bring n down, rewrite n, the plus sign, and then 3 times n is 3n, minus 3 times 1 is 3. So we have n plus 3 times n minus 3. We have two terms that are similar, n and 3n, so we can add or combine these two terms. Again, when you have a variable all by itself, there's a 1 in front of it. So 1n plus 3n is 4n minus 3. So your algebraic expression is 4 times n minus 3.